We shall start first with a sheet of white polymer clay. I am using here Premo, on the thickest setting on your pasta machine. I am cutting 4 shapes because I am making 2 pairs of earrings. They are just too cool not to make 2. Link for the cutters in the video description below. Use a regular straight tumbler to bake your earrings and take care to have them vertically on the tumbler. Gently round up the edges, but don't spend too much time on that because everything can be made perfect when sanding. Then I'm going to use some nail art water transfers. Link in the description below, of course. These come in sets of 5 pairs, so it's perfect for pairs of earrings. I'm going to tell you a secret. When I first made these, I didn't realize that I should have applied a layer of varnish after placing the transfer to avoid the alcohol ink seeping under the transfer, but they're still good. So once you've applied your transfers, let them dry properly, then apply a layer of varnish, after which you create some dripping blood using alcohol ink. I use here the Pinata Sangria color as I need a deep dark red, the color of old blood. Let the alcohol ink dry thoroughly before applying another layer of varnish. While the varnish is still wet, you can place, optional, some rhinestones to make your earrings more fancy. The varnish will act as a glue. I'm using here Fimo varnish. Once your varnish has dried, you might want to go with a second layer of alcohol ink and even extend the dripping blood lower on the earrings. After your ink is thoroughly dried, apply one last layer of varnish to seal in place both the ink and the rhinestones. You can apply varnish and alcohol ink on the back of the earring as well. It just takes a bit more time to wait for everything to dry out. To put the earrings together, I used eye screws. First, use a hand drill to drill holes, starting with a very fine drill bit. Then expand to a bit that has the same diameter as the screw. Once your holes are done, first attach the eye screws to the ear wire. It will be much easier to do it now than after putting the screws in. Use some glue to fix the screws in place. Do not leave them unglued as they might come off. I personally prefer the two parts Loctite. Gently dip the tip of the screw in the glue, then screw it in, making sure that you position it correctly in rapport with the ear wire. And that is it. If you're not comfortable with this method, you can use small pinch bails to attach the pieces to the ear wire. Enjoy your bloody sugar skull earrings and happy Halloween!